Chesham Intermediate. We did different things today, but a very important thing came up today about grouping irregular verbs. When you get to sort of like an intermediate level or above, we just have to learn all the irregular verbs, and I just tell you to learn, and I give you a list. However, if you do some research on the internet, you can actually, if you do a search for grouping irregular verbs, you can sometimes get irregular verbs in groups, and it's sometimes easier to learn in groups. And I've written a few groups up here just for you. So let's start over here. Sing, sang, sung, ring, rang, rung, drink, drank, drunk. There are a few others that are like this, like sink, sink, sank, sunk as well. There are a few like this. There are some that don't change. Cut, 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 set, 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 read. Unfortunately, the pronunciation changes here. Read, read. But the spelling is all the same. Here, I don't know if this is a very typical group, but I've used it. Draw, drew, drawn, wear, wore, worn, take, took, taken, write, wrote, written. They all sort of end in an N. Maybe this is one group here, the first two, and this is a different group, but they will end in an N if they sound good. These are a couple of strange ones. These are regular verbs that actually you can end them in ED or you can end them in T. And we tend to say learnt and dreamt. So there are a few of these. There's ones where the second and the third column are the same, and lots of different types. So look up on Google grouping irregular verbs and learn them in groups, because it's easier to learn them in groups. Thank you.